Welcome to Stress-Free Coding Video, Angular Part 15. I'm Stokes. So let's start right away. Today I will talk to you about these topics. What is the Angular Material Library? How to install Angular Material Library? How to choose a pre-built theme? Hey, stop. Okay, maybe it's exaggerating. Let's take this one step at a time. Angular provides a collection of graphic elements has button, card, dialog, form field, and much more, and a set of behavior primitives for building UI components. This collection is called Angular Material. To install Angular Material in our project, simply digit from the terminal ng /add Angular/material. The first choice is which pre-built theme name or custom theme we prefer to install. Angular Material includes 4 pre-built themes. Practically, themes are CSS files, each with different collection of color or palettes. Deep Purple Amber and Indigo Pink are light theme. Instead, Pink Blue Gray and Deep and Purple Green are dark theme. Let's see what the application looks like with the purple-green theme. The second choice is to set up the global Angular Material typography styles. Typography is a way of arranging type to make text legible, readable, and appealing when displayed. By default, Angular Material doesn't apply global CSS. By default, is not apply typography. The third question is include the Angular animation module. We can choose between include and enable animation, include but disable animation, or do not include. We chose the first option. Once setup finished, run Angular server with command ng --s. Why not change the HTML code, font, and background of our application have changed? Now repeat the setup and choose a clear theme, for example, Indigo Pink. Okay, and set up global Angular Material typography styles, yes. Enable animation. Rerun Angular server. And reload our application. Much better with light theme. Now let's take a look in the source control section of Visual Studio Code. What has changed in our project after installing the Angular Material Library? Package lock.json, a package.json, now contains a reference to CDK. Angular CDK stands for Component Dev Kit. CDK is a set of behavior primitives for building UI components. Angular.json now contains a CSS file reference to the pre-built theme. We have a choice. Index.html now contains Google font references and a class math typography is assigned to body tag. Global Style CSS contains a global styles rules shared in the project. And finally, App Module TypeScript contains browser animation references. In the next video, we will see how to apply material components to our project. So put a like to this video and subscribe to Stress-Free Coding channel. Bye.